Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your PlayStation 5 using the controller. Now this is very easy to do. If I press the PlayStation button right here, it's going to open up this screen where I can see this menu. I want to go all the way to the right to the power button and select this. Then we have three options under here. We can enter rest mode, where we can charge controllers, download updates, and suspend your games. Don't unplug the AC power cord while in rest mode. Then we have turn off PlayStation 5, close all games and apps, and turn off your PS5. Select this before unplugging the AC power cord. Then we have a simple restart PS5. Close all games and apps and restart your PS5. So, most of the time I just go to enter rest mode because I like updating my games while I'm away. I come online and everything is ready to go. But you do have the option to turn off right here. So if we select this, my PlayStation 5 will completely 100% turn off. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.